Hello and welcome to my next presentation about Chinese characters. This one is about the Chinese character shuo. Shuo. And it is a very basic character which means to speak, to say something. And when it's pronounced this way, and it has also a second pronunciation which is shui. Shui. And in this case it means to persuade someone. And it is divided into several sections, but I would divide it generally into these two elements. The left element over here, this one, is pronounced yin, and it means, it has the meaning of words or speech. And the right element over here is pronounced dui, and it means joyous. So it should act as the phonetic element. So let me just write it over here, dui. But as you can see, the character as a whole is pronounced shuo or shui. So it is pointing to this pronunciation. As you can see, the final cluster ui and ui over here is the same. Later, I'm only guessing now, the pronunciation shuo and the meaning shuo was added, and what is very interesting is that this element, this whole thing, this whole pronunciation element later also started to be used in other characters, and again pointing to the pronunciation, but not to the pronunciation of ui, but to the pronunciation of o. For instance, in tuo yifu, which means to take off your clothes, for instance, and also this element is in that character. So let me show you how to write it. So start with the left part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the right part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. One interesting thing that I would like to mention is that I was sort of reading about this element in the character, and the explanation for it is that it is basically these two strokes over here, which when they are a standalone character they mean 8, like the number 8, but in this case they represent the cries for joy coming out of the person's mouth, and this represents the person's mouth, and then these two strokes at the bottom represent the person itself. So this is the person, this is the person's mouth, and these are the cries of joy that are coming out of the person's mouth, and this element over here are words. So all of these elements point to the meaning to speak. There you have it. If that helps you to remember this character, great. If it doesn't, just remember it by its shape. I hope you liked the presentation, and I will see you in the next one.